In this video we are discussing muscle of the back. So guys, if you not subscribe my channel yet, so please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon. So guys, let's start our video. So the name of the back muscles are trapezius, latissimus dorsi, levator scapulae, rhomboids minor and rhomboids major. As you can see on the diagram, all the muscles are mentioned in this. So firstly we talk about trapezius muscle. So in the trapezius muscle there are the three fiber, upper fiber, middle fiber and the lower fiber. So the trapezius muscle, superior trapezius muscle that take origin from the superior nucleus line and external occipital protuberance, and the middle origin from the vertebra T1 to T4 as you can see on the diagram, and inferior fiber, lower fiber from the vertebra T5 to T12. Now the insertion of the trapezius muscle, superior fiber that are inserted into the clavicle and the middle fiber into the acromion process of the scapula and the inferior fiber on the spine of the scapula. So it is important you have to learn diagram first, after it is very easy to explain it. And the action of the trapezius muscle, the superior fiber that help in elevate the scapula, extend and laterally bend neck, and the middle fiber is for the retraction of the scapula and the inferior fiber for the depression of the scapula. So this is the action of the trapezius muscle. Now the second muscle is latissimus dorsi muscle. The latissimus dorsi muscle that take origin from the spine of the inferior 6th thoracic vertebra, it means T6 to T12, and the lumbar vertebra L1 to L5, and crest of the sacrum and iliac crest of hip bone and inferior foreribs. So these are the origin of the latissimus dorsi, and it is inserted into the intratubercle sulcus of the humerus. As you can see on the diagram, there is a latissimus dorsi muscles. Now the action of the latissimus dorsi. So latissimus dorsi helpful in extension, adduction and the medial rotation arm at the shoulder joint, and the nerve supply of the latissimus dorsi is thoracodorsal nerve. So this is latissimus dorsi muscle. Now the third one is levator scapulae. So the levator scapulae muscles that take origin from the transverse process of the superior 4 or 5 cervical vertebra, and it is inserted into the superior vertebral body of the scapula, and action of it elevation of the scapula and rotate it downward, and it is plied by the dorsal scapular nerve and the cervical spinal nerve. So firstly the trapezius muscles having the three fibers, superior, middle and inferior, that take origin from the thoracic vertebra, and then latissimus dorsi muscle that take origin from the lower thoracic vertebra and the lumbar vertebra, and the levator scapulae that take origin from the upper superior 5 cervical vertebra. Now we discuss the fourth muscle, rhomboids minor muscle. So the rhomboid minor muscle that take origin from the cervical region and the thoracic region, from the spine of the C7 vertebra and the thoracic vertebra, first thoracic vertebra, and it is inserted into the vertebral border of the scapula superior to the spine, and action of it elevate and adduct the scapula and rotate it downward and stabilize the scapula, and it is plied by the dorsal scapular nerve. In the diagram there are the two muscles, rhomboids minor and the rhomboids major. The rhomboids minor that is present upper than rhomboids major. Now we discuss the rhomboids major muscle. So the rhomboids major muscle that take origin from the spine of the 2nd to 5th thoracic vertebra T2 to T5, and it is inserted also into the vertebral border of the scapula inferior to the spine of the scapula, and action of it elevate and adduct the scapula and rotate it downwards, stabilize scapula, same as that of the rhomboids minor. But the difference is rhomboids minor that take origin from the T1 and C7 vertebra, but it take origin from the T2 to T5, and it is also supplied by the dorsal scapular nerve. So these are the muscles of the back, in which trapezius muscles is very important on examination point of view. So guys, in this video we discuss the muscle of the back. Hope you like this video. So please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.